If you're looking to learn how to display customer reviews using Proof, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to leverage Proof's powerful tools to boost trust, social proof, and ultimately your conversion rates. Stick around because I'm going to share a few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this software, plus a special offer that you can't find anywhere else. First, let's talk about the basics of Proof. Proof is an easy-to-use tool that allows you to display real-time customer activity on your website. Think of it as creating social proof in a way that feels natural and builds trust with your audience. It's all about showing potential customers that others are already purchasing or engaging with your product or service. One of the most effective ways to display customer reviews with Proof is by using its activity feed feature. This shows recent customer actions like purchases, sign-ups, or form submissions right on your website. This display creates a sense of urgency and shows visitors that others are trusting your business. If you're selling a product or service, this can be a game changer as people naturally gravitate toward what others are already engaging with. To get started, sign up with Proof and connect it to your website. Once you're set up, you'll see a variety of options for displaying customer reviews, including the ability to customize the appearance, frequency, and style of notifications. This is important because you want to make sure that the activity feed or reviews match your site's overall design and don't feel intrusive. A key feature of Proof is the ability to show customer reviews that are pulled directly from third-party review platforms like Trustpilot, Google Reviews, or Yelp. This adds a layer of credibility to your site that visitors will find hard to ignore. Simply integrate your review platform with Proof and let the software do the heavy lifting, automatically displaying reviews as they come in. Another powerful tool within Proof is the ability to create personalized messages based on customer behavior. For example, if someone is on the checkout page but hasn't completed their purchase, you can show a message that highlights a recent review about the product they are looking at. This targeted approach increases the chances of conversion by showing your customers that other buyers are happy with their purchases. If you're wondering how to display customer reviews in a way that feels genuine and organic, the key is to focus on relevancy. You want to make sure the reviews you're showcasing are directly related to the customer's experience on your site. Proof allows you to customize what's displayed, ensuring that each review or activity feed item feels relevant to your target audience. One great feature I've found is Proof's ability to display customer reviews on a specific product page, so when someone is viewing a particular item, they see recent feedback about it from other customers. This type of social proof helps potential buyers feel more confident in their decision-making, which is crucial when they're on the fence about a purchase. Another thing to keep in mind when using Proof is the importance of tracking and analyzing the results of your reviews. Proof provides you with detailed analytics, allowing you to see how these notifications and customer reviews are impacting your conversion rates. This data can guide your future marketing efforts, helping you optimize which messages and reviews are most effective at driving sales. Now, before you go, I want to remind you that you can access Proof for completely free by clicking the link in the description below. We've partnered with Proof to offer you an exclusive extended free trial so you can test out all of these features for yourself. This is a great opportunity to increase the social proof on your site and convert more visitors into customers. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the impact it can have on your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of this special offer before it's gone. You can start using Proof's customer review display tools today. Just check the link below for your extended trial.